ครับวันนี้รายการอาหารชีวิตนะครับก็อยู่ที่ฟิลิปปินส์นะครับก็วันนี้เราจะมารับฟังนะครับพยานชีวิตของพี่น้องคริสเตียนในฟิลิปปินส์นะครับว่าพระเจ้าทรงทำงานในชีวิตของเขาอย่างไรนะครับก็ขอเชิญรับชมและรับฟังต่อไปได้เลยครับ
นมัสการองค์ข้าเจ้าผู้เที่ยงธรรมทะเลและท้องฟ้า
Hi, by the way, I'm Jackilou from Philippines and I'm here to share my testimony. I don't know if this how I will going to start my testimony and how I'm going to make it short for you to understand it. But before, I am a girl who is not that so naughty, but I know that I'm not good. I started to hang out with my friends and drink a lot of alcohols and involve myself in gambling. And life is not so happy for me, and I enjoy life by means of hanging out with my friends, making fun and so and so forth. But one time I realized that my life is not that happy and there is lacking in me. I know that even I involve myself in such activities for youth. I involve myself in activities in school. I have high grades. I know that I'm not perfect. I know that I need someone who can understand the real me, the real life of Jackie. And me, I just felt the happiness outside of our house. I also have a family that is not happy. Why? Because my father has no work and my mother's the one who is working for us to have a meal, for us to go in school, and for us to have the needs in our house. And my father is just involving himself in gambling. He's just drinking alcohol, and aside from that, I didn't feel the love of a father. Why? Because he just focused on what he wants. He just focused on what he thinks that is right for him. That maybe he don't know how to handle a family. But for me, before he put himself in that situation that he will going to build a family, I know that he must know how to handle a family situation. But for now, I'm already 20 years old and I don't think if he already taught me how life is. And one time someone told me about Jesus. That is the time that I realized that no matter what will happen, only Jesus will understand you. I know that it is not easy to follow Jesus. It is not easy to involve yourself as a Christian. Why? Because there are so many trials. There are many trials because it tests your faith. It strengthens you. Trials always there. And one time I asked, is really God existing? I put myself in that situation that asking, is really God in me? Why? Because there are times that I can't handle already those trials, and I know that I can't do it alone. I can't handle it alone. I don't know how to solve it, and possibly I can't face the trials because I don't have enough strength. I don't know where to go, or I'm going to my father, which is not really there for me. or I'm going to my mother who is busy working for my needs, for our needs, working for us to have meals every time we're gonna sit on our table. Or I'm going to go with my sister that is so busy doing what she wants, doing what she thinks that makes her happy. Or I'm going to my brother, my youngest brother, who doesn't know about the trials. And I found out life is miserable if God is not with you. And I realized that God is only the one who can help you. Only God will never leave you nor forsake you. Such what He said in the Bible. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Then at that times that I'm facing trials, I know that I can face, I can overcome it. Why? Because God can help me. I maybe not feel the love of my Father here in this world, but I know there is a Father who is with me, who is willing to accept me no matter what. And that is only the God is about.
แค่อยากจะนอน